This week we have headed down to Kennick Reservoir in Devon, the jewel in the crown of fly fishing in the southwest. Kennick is a relatively small reservoir at 50 acres, but offers some exceptional bank and boat fishing. This stunning Dartmoor water is stocked weekly with rainbow trout up to £7, with the occasional double figure fish to £14. They also stock a large amount of blue trout, which provide a great fight and a bit of variety. The lake also boasts a resident head of wild brown trout, up to £8, and all brown trout, if caught, must be released. Kennick is one of 13 trout fisheries managed by South West Lakes Trust, and for more information about the Trust portfolio, why not have a look at their website at www.swlakestrust.org.uk. According to their website, the best flyers are buzzers, montana, damsel nymphs, hoppers and dullback, but I reckon blobs and boobies are also going to do the business. Today Wilderness TV have joined up with local fly fishermen Matthew Dadd and Jake Heel to have a go at float tubing. Now it's been a while since I've been on a float tube, but Matt and Jake are float tubing virgins.
Third fish on the float tube.
Early conditions are looking perfect. It's overcast with a light breeze, but we are mid-season, and one thing not in our favour is the surface water temperature. At almost 18 degrees C, the fish are likely to be sulking, so we're going to need to find the cooler water.
Well, I don't even know what I'm... Hang on. Be nice if I knew what I was going to use.
Yeah, so you could do like
Matt, how was it going this morning and how are you catching?
Yeah, it was brilliant. On a sinking line, deep down, and quick retrieve on an orange blob and orange boobies. Yeah, it was tough, but when you got the right depth, it was pretty straightforward after that.
like this one.
Long life.
It's long life, and that's the important bit. And I like this coffee as well.
I think Jake is after some sponsorship from Lavazza Coffee.
How many cubes would you like?
2, please.
That timing.
Your first time on the float tube, how's it going?
It's going good. I've had one fish on a sinking line, but a few knocks, but nothing else so far.
After a quick cuppa, Jake is back on the water and soon onto his second hard-fighting Kennick rainbow trout. So, how'd you catch out on Jake? What's the technique?
That was on a fast sinking line, fishing boobies just off the bottom, and he just absolutely swallowed it.
For more information about float tubing in the UK, including safety advice, venues and insurance, look no further than the British Float Tubing Association. They're there to help you. Visit their website at www.bfta.org.uk. For the full fishery rules and to book your trip to this awesome reservoir, don't forget to visit the South West Lakes Trust website. We've had an amazing day fly fishing here for Kennick rainbows, and we're now firmly hooked on float tubing, so next stop, Burrator. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to see our latest films. Tight lines everyone, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Class. Absolutely class.